Now, from WTVM, this is Business Break with your host, Maureen Akers.
Hello there. Well, today we are at the Museum of Aviation at Warner Robins Air Force Base in Warner Robins, Georgia with Mike Rowland. Mike, thanks so much for having us here today.
Thank you.
It is just fascinating. The hangar, we're in a special hangar, and we're talking about a special plane, specifically the aircraft behind us. Tell us a little bit about it.
So this airplane is a B-17 Flying Fortress. It is an example of a very important four-engine strategic bomber that was used by the United States during World War II to attack German targets, primarily in Europe. And it's been under restoration now for a few years, and we're just delighted and grateful for the progress that's happened with it.
Yeah, fascinating work going on as we speak, as we're taping this right now. Now, so the B-17 is one of many aircraft that are here at your museum. What are some of your other most loved aircrafts?
Well, right next door in the other hangar is the SR-71 Blackbird, which is one of our most popular airplanes. The airplane that's here at the Museum of Aviation was actually used to set the world absolute speed record in 1976, and that speed was 2,193 miles per hour, so faster than a speeding bullet. Other airplanes include the P-51, the B-29 Super Fortress, and on and on. Yeah,
many of the aircraft we may have heard or have seen in either history or movies and such as that throughout the years, right?
Yes.
Very good. And you have some interactive activities here at the museum. Tell us a little bit about those.
Well, one of the newest things we have is a virtual reality simulator. So you can get in, you put on these special goggles, and you can take a ride in some pretty unique places. We have a few climb-in cockpits that are a lot of fun. And you know, just the experience of the museum itself, walking around, going through the four buildings is fun.
Right, fantastic. Now, what are some other things to do here while you're at the museum?
Well, I want to put in a plug for the gift shop, so stop by there. Beyond that, we have a large exhibit about the D-Day invasion of Normandy during World War II, and I can appreciate that our comrades at Fort Benning will appreciate that, because that's where the Army does paratrooper training. Other exhibits, again, cover topics from World War II through the Korean and Vietnam Wars up to the present.
Very good. The Museum of Aviation, right here at Warner Robins Air Force Base, real easy to get to?
It is very easy. And easy drive down 96, down 20, 16 from Savannah.
Very easy to get to. Yeah, fantastic. So, and admission?
Admission is free.
The
museum is free to the public.
Fantastic. Information has been on the screen while we've been talking. Thank you so very much for having us here today, Mike, and we'll see you on the very next Business Break.